హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, బాగున్నారా? మన ఈ వీడియోలో FAO స్క్వాచ్ టాయ్ స్టోర్ ఇన్ న్యూయార్క్ని చూడబోతున్నాం. FAO స్క్వాచ్ is the ultimate gifting destination for kids and teens. Explore the iconic toy store that offers a huge selection of incredibly unique toys. Now we are going to see One World Trade Center, also known as 1WTC, and Freedom Tower, the main building of the rebuilt World Trade Center complex in Lower Manhattan, New York City. One World Trade Center is the tallest building in the United States, the tallest building in the Western Hemisphere, and the seventh tallest in the world. The super tall structure has the same as the northern tower of the original World Trade Center. One World Trade Center consists of one or two floors. The office floors begins at floor 20 and goes up to floor 90. Above floor 90 are several mechanical floors as well as restaurants and observations places on floors 100 to 103. The tower has an observation deck on floors 100 to 102. Its height is 1268 feet, making its highest vantage point in the New York City, similar to the Empire State Building. Visitors to the observation deck and tenants have their own separate entrances. One entrance is on the West Street side of the building and the other is from within the shopping mall, down to a below ground security screening area. On the observation deck, the actual viewing space is on the 100th floor, but there is a food court on the 101 floor and a space for events for the 102nd floor. The observation deck is operated by partially owned by the New York Yankees. To show visitors the city and give them information and stories about New York, an interactive tool called City Pulse is used by the tour ambassadors. The admission fees is $32 per person, but admission discounts are available for children and seniors. The deck is free for 9/11 responders and families of 9/11 victims. When it opened, the deck was expected to have about 3.5 million visitors per year. Tickets went on sale starting on April 8, 2015.